This video provides information on what happens after you complete your reemployment assistance application. Reemployment assistance is just Florida's way of saying unemployment compensation. After you apply for reemployment assistance benefits, you have to complete a few additional items. You have to return to the Connect system every 2 weeks to request your benefits. Complete this process even if you have not received any payments yet. It is important that you request your benefits within 7 days of your scheduled date, regardless of your claim status. You have to register with Employ Florida. When creating or updating your Employ Florida profile, you will have to provide an email address, complete the background history, and upload or create a current resume. If you don't complete this requirement, you will not receive your payment. You have to provide 5 work search contacts for every week of benefits you request. If you live in a county with a population of less than 75,000, you only have to provide 3 work search contacts. You can also meet this requirement by scheduling an appointment with CareerSource Florida. You should know that while processing your claim, the Department of Economic Opportunity completes many reviews to determine your eligibility for benefits. Be sure to log into your Connect account several times a week to check if DEO needs more information from you. If you do receive a request for additional information, complete it and submit it as soon as possible so that your claims process can move forward. You'll receive a notice of monetary determination from DEO, which will provide details on the amount of benefits you can receive per week, the total balance your claim has, and the history of wages that were used to establish your claim. After receiving benefits for several weeks, you may be selected and scheduled for a mandatory appointment with your local CareerSource Florida Center. This appointment will provide services to help create a reemployment plan. Your appointment notice will be mailed to you via U.S. mail, so it's important to make sure that your address in both Connect and Employ Florida is up to date. If you don't attend your scheduled appointment, DEO may delay or deny your benefits. If you need more help, we encourage you to reach out to your local public library. Public libraries can help with many things, including letting you use a computer, printer, copier, scanner, or fax machine. Some libraries also have staff available who may be able to help guide you through the application process. Find your local library at myfloridalibrary.com. You can also contact the Florida Department of Economic Opportunity for assistance. We hope that you found this information useful. Visit our YouTube channel for more videos on applying for reemployment assistance benefits in Florida.